I mean, I could, but why would I want to? Hey guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. I'm going to be recording a makeup tutorial where I contour, do the whole jazz, but I spice up my little eyes with some glitter, you know, make it more cutesy or done. So without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and get into the tutorial. So in this, I'm currently just outlining my browns with a brown pencil I found in my local hair store. There's nothing special about it. It is like $1. Like, you can pick it up anywhere. All the information about everything's going to be in the description box below, but I'm currently outlining my brow in the matte NC35 or 45, 40, one of the two, and I'm taking an e.l.f. angled brush, literally like $2, and I'm taking that and blending out the top and the bottom, and yeah. So now I'm just taking a beauty blender and I'm blending out those lines. Ladies, blend, blend, blend. That's like, nobody wants to go out with ashy eyebrows. Just saying. So now I'm just going to take the same concealer I used to conceal my brows and I'm applying that on my eyelid. So now I'm just setting that concealer with a really light shade of the MAC setting powder. So I'm just taking my Forever 21 palette, my Juvia's Place palette, and also my BH Cosmetic 121 color palette, or 120, whatever it's called. And I'm picking up this light brown to dark brown shade, and I'm going to be applying this on the crease of my eye with a blending, like a smudger brush. Next, you're going to see me taking this light brown color, and I'm going to be taking that and applying that to my crease just to lighten up the shade. Sorry you see me keep checking my watch. I'm still on the time crunch, you guys. But I'm going to just blend that out into that dark brown color, just to lighten it up. I didn't want to look like I had a black eye or anything. Now I'm going to be picking up a color from the BH Cosmetic. It's a burnt orange color. I'm just applying that over those brown colors I smudged out previous to this. And I'm just going to do this to lighten up the look so it's not as dark as well. Now I'm going back in with that e.l.f. angled brush, and I'm going to take some more concealer and I'm just going to apply this. I'm trying my hardest to cut my crease the neatest way I know how, but at this time I'm pretty sure it wasn't that neat, but I'm getting better at it, so bear with me please. So now I'm just going to go back in our Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to go pick up that light brown color, just apply that back to where I cut my crease so I can set that crease very good before I apply the next color. Now I'm going back in and putting it in this rose gold color from the Juvia's Place palette as well. I'm just going to put that where I cut my crease so that the color is strong, and I'm just going to keep adding it and adding it. Now I do feel like that color was a little bit overpowering, so I'm going back in with that brown color that came from the Forever 21, and I'm going back and I'm reapplying that. Now I'm just going to take my eyeliner that I used from Forever 21. It's in the black color, and I'm just making my eyeliner nothing too snazzy. I'm just doing a wing eyeliner. I'm just going back in and I'm going to make that eyeliner very cut and very clear. So I'm going back in with the concealer I used before to go and just line that back up. Now to my favorite powder foundation. If I don't do anything else, I try at least put on foundation due to my hyperpigmentation. So now I just mix the MC40 and the MC45 color in matte just to get the perfect complexion for my skin, and I'm just blending that out with a wedge sponge. It's not wet or anything, but I'm just applying it with the sponge. I'm taking this yellow sponge I got from lWOCl. It's very stiff. I probably should have applied some water, but I didn't. But it's still doing the same thing. I'm still blending it in. It's just picking up a lot of the foundation. So next time I'd probably just wet it. Now I'm going to go in with my usual sponge, which you can see is very soft. Now I'm going in with my Real Techniques brush. This is a powder brush, and I'm just making sure everything is blended very good and it is flat. I'm picking up that same color of concealer and I'm putting that under my eye. I like a very strong contour and highlight, so I'm applying kind of a lot. I usually bring it all the way down under my nose and then on my top lip because it's very dark in that area. So I'm just doing the normal areas of highlight, your T-zone, under your chin. Yeah. For some reason, I decided not to set my concealer for this day, but whatever. So now I'm just going in with the e.l.f. contour duo, and I'm just doing my cheeks and my nose, and I think a little bit above my forehead. I can't remember, but I'm just making sure that that looks like, yeah. And I'm going back in blending because girl, that area was a little rough, but yeah, I'm just making sure everything is blended together, the contour and the concealer. Now, your girl said she wanted to be popping, so she got her Laura Yellow, I think that's how you pronounce it, and I got the Golden Delight, whatever it's called. I'll put it in the below. And I'm just taking a highlight brush that I found in Five Below, and I'm just applying that everywhere. The other one I showed was the e.l.f. Golden Bait eyeshadow. So yeah, I put that down there too. But you can see the girl is just glowing. Ooh, like I'm about to blind y'all. So now I just took my hair down. You see me kind of flexing a bit. Now I'm just setting my face with the Fix Plus Matte Setting Spray. And after this, you feel like you just took a shower. Like your face is wet. And I'm just waiting for my face to dry. I'm bored, you know. Thank you so much for tuning in my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you could give this video a thumbs up, that would be great. Working to add more videos. You can follow me on Instagram at lexsaucin, on Twitter lexsaucin, Snapchat is brightlyme8, no spaces. And yeah, that's all. I don't got no more other hand. But